Hey friends, if you wish to fix anti-malware service executable high memory usage or high CPU usage on your system, then please watch this video. Now I will stick to three solutions. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side and select installed apps. Okay, and then you can scroll down to McAfee, the McAfee app, or any other app that is associated with the security. So simply click on these three dots and uninstall that application. Basically, you should not have any third-party application here. Now, once this is done, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left-hand side and select check for updates in the right pane. Once this part is done as well, once checking for updates is done, the last solution will be to run a full system antivirus scan. Search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and go to Windows Security. Go to Virus and Threat Protection, click on Scan options, select full scan and then click on Scan Now. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.